Surah Al-Asr is one of the shortest chapters in the Quran, yet it carries a lifetime of wisdom. It begins with a profound reminder. By time, indeed, mankind is in loss. Time is slipping away every second, and we can never bring it back. But Allah tells us there's a way to avoid loss. The path is clear: faith, good deeds, truth, and patience. Faith gives us purpose and direction in life. Good deeds transform our belief into action and impact others positively. Speaking the truth builds trust and strengthens our relationships. Patience helps us endure challenges and stay steadfast on the right path. This surah reminds us that time is our most valuable resource. How we spend it defines who we are and what we achieve. Every moment is an opportunity to do good and grow closer to Allah. Reflect on your day. How much of it was spent on what truly matters? Let's use our time wisely before it's too late. Surah Al-Asr isn't just a verse, it's a roadmap for a meaningful life. Follow for more fascinating insights from the Quran and Islamic history.